have made it to the final day of the Strum and Sing Challenge. Okay, so let me just play the last line so that we get straight to the point. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and dream a little dream of me. That's it. So we're going to strum on dream and then little. So it's dream a little. Again, go. Dream a little. Ready, go. Dream a little. 2 more times. Dream a little. 1 more time. Dream a little. Ready, cool. Now the G7 has the word dream and of. So both get a strum. Dream of, ready, go. Dream of, 2 more times. Dream of. And now if you want to be very dramatic, then you can only do 1 strum on the word me. Me. And that would finish the whole song. Sorry, my cat, Kit Kat, is lying on the keyboard. So that would be dream of me. Pretty cool, right? But you can do a few more strums there. Dream of me. Oh, yay! Okay, so if you have not yet tried doing down up, this is the perfect line to try it with. Dream a little. Because dream has the down strum, has the up, li has the down, tol has the up. Dream a little. And then dream of. So dream of. Dream of. And then me. So let's try it down up style. 1, 2, ready, go. Dream a little dream of me. Again, ready, go. Dream a little dream of me. So what's next? What's next is now really for you to spend some time with the song on your own. I've created a printable, and if you'd like to use it, I have the link down below for it. You don't need the printable. It's just, I know some people like myself, I scared the cat. I have written to-do lists. I tried using like the calendar on my phone, but for me, writing things down and having like a piece of paper that I look at is just an easier way for me to learn. So if you also enjoy having that printed, or if you like having like the PDF of just the song and the chords, by all means access that. It's down below. And it helps support the channel, so thank you. Okay, let's play through it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. I've been playing the Enya Pro ukulele. This is kind of in a like slate gray, and these are made out of a carbon fiber material, which means that they won't expand or compress with the changes in weather. I can actually submerge this ukulele, bring it back out of water, and it'll be just fine. Also, if you're a teacher and you loan out your instruments and you want to sanitize afterwards, well, you don't have to worry about this because you can just give it a nice wipe. So I know that we're all a lot more conscious about the surfaces we're touching, so this is a great ukulele for that. I also really enjoy the sound of it. So yeah, check them out. They're a really super cool brand, and I really love all of the accessories that you get when you buy their instruments too. It's really nice to open the box and get some of the things that you really need to get started, and it's just super cool. So check them out. Thank you, Enya, and thank you for being here. Love you so much, and let's continue jamming. See you in the next one. Ciao! If you feel ready to learn more songs, I actually have a 15 uke song challenge, and the first day or the first song of the challenge is just 2 chords. It's just F and G. So I recommend you do that challenge next, because if you only have 2 chords to think about, that's really going to help just think about the singing and the strumming. So yes, jump onto that challenge next. It's going to teach you how to play Fleetwood Mac.